knowledge, wisdom, experiences, sharing is good life. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Subscribe now for more knowledge and informative videos.
Hi, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Today we are going to learn about insurance definition and how insurance company is able to pay lakhs of rupees by collecting amounts in thousands. In some cases it will be hundreds of. Let us go in detail in the video. First of all, thank you all for your subscriptions, time and support, for watching our videos and supporting us, sharing all your feedbacks. Coming to, as you all know, my name is Anand, and if anyone have you missed our old video, first video which is on insurance basics and overviews, you can watch from the cards and from the below description. Coming to our insurance basics, watch complete video so that you will never forget what is insurance, how insurance companies works. Coming to this video, many of us would have come across these situations in our day-to-day life. Just I am going to share. Assume that they are all college students. Actually, they are not the college students. They are all my colleagues. For example purpose, I have taken them. But I will let you know why I am asking you to assume as a college student. Assume that any one of these members would have met with some ill health or any accident or say some unfortunate risk. What will happen? What will be the other person's will do? The close friend or his roommate will inform all the hostel mates and collect money and some support and help him to come out from his risk and the financial loss which has been occurred. And we will make sure and ensure him that he is in a safe side. Insurance can also related to this example. In simple words, we can tell as insurance as a collecting from many and paying to a very few who faces the risk. This is a simple and finest definition of the insurance. Here, when coming to our finest definitions, all the persons who are paying the amount, who feel that they are under the risk, who is paying that amounts are called as insured. And the amount which is being saved, collected from all these persons is called as a pool. The company or an organization which is maintaining this pool is called as an insurance or insurance company. And all the funds collected by the insurance company is being rightly used or not, is being conducted and audited and maintained by a government individual organization called as IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. I will let you know another video what is the history of insurance, when it is formed, what are the rules and norms of the insurance IRDA. I will let you know now why I have asked you to think as a college students. The main purpose is when we are studying in colleges, hostels, we will not have so much of responsibilities and no planning of money. So we will spend many things for our friends, for our enjoyment. And there are many people who watch each and every film which is released. But when after marriage, when we are having some dependents, kids, we cannot spend for our other jolly enjoyment. So I have asked you to assume as a college students. Let us now see the book definition of the insurance. Insurance is an agreement by each one party called insured pays the stimulated consideration called as premium. The other party is called as insurer in the return from which the insurer agrees to pay a defined amount of money or provide a certain defined services if covered event occurs in the policy term. So remember the word it covers event occurs during the policy. The defined services means when you are taking a policy, what are all the services offered will be listed in the policy copy. Insurance company will pay only for the listed in that policy document. Insurance policy document which they are giving is a contract between the two parties. One is the insured who is feeling that I was in risk, I need to be covered person, and the insurer who is collecting the amount and paying a promise that they will pay for any unfortunate incidents which have happened in the policy period. That is called as a book definition of the insurance. Company is able to pay lakhs by collecting thousands. Assume there is the same group, but assume these are the 100 for our test calculation. If the insurance companies collects 50 rupees from 1000 people, so the total amount insurance companies collected 50. So if any one of this group, assume the 100 people, if any one of these gets the risk, insurance can pay approximately the 50,000 amount, because insurance company committed 50,000, 50 rupees from everyone, 1,100 people. So total amount is 5,000. So insurance company can easily provide 5,000 person who faces the risk. Similar, increase the number of persons, the risk will be less. Insurance company will calculate this risk based on the previous year's claims experience. That is, in past years, how much they have collected, how much they have how much profit. By that, they will collect the premium amount and they will pay the amount. This process is called as underwriting. So, if you like the video, kindly subscribe, like and share. And remember one thing, no seat belt, no outing, no helmet, no drive. Avoid alcohol. If you take alcohol, enjoy the drink, have a good sleep.